you see those two babies? Mom?
Yeah. Hold on, don't hit your head, baby.
That log Aya is standing on fell down and closed our path. So now we have to walk, I think, additional 30 minutes.
What is it you want me to catch? A parrot?
Yep. I'm not a happy camper right now. I got beaten by mosquitoes and horseflies, and it's hot, and I had to put this jacket on to protect myself from them. And I had to take my wader boots and waders off because I got blisters. Anyways, I hope it gets better when I catch a fish. Our speed is not super fast because Arya is moving pretty slow, which I'm sure is not helping Justin's back with that super heavy load. Снова один горный ручей с ледяной водой. So now there is literally no trail of any kind. Сейчас вообще нету никакой тропинки. So we're just walking and falling completely off the beaten path. This is our campsite setup. Poor dogs are dead tired. Aya is feeding her dolly. And Justin is setting up food.
You're getting your hands really dirty.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go wash them.
We want to place them. There you go. Good job.
Tea's ready, come.
The tea is ready.
Yeah,
Did you sleep well?
yeah,
You did.
yep.
I didn't.
Yeah, this is our first morning, and we just set a fire up to warm up. And I'm drinking tea.
And I'm still sleepy.
Dog's about to stick its head in the fire. Try and cast. There you go, perfect. That's much better. That was the rhythm. Reeling in. More. Okay. Wow. Dogs are all tangled up in the line. Oh wow. I know, baby. You caught that fish all by yourself. Look at that. Look at that. Can you turn him so that we can see him good?
Look, it's the same one that you caught.
Yeah, it's the same kind. Wow. Okay, see if you can pull the hook out of his mouth.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah, that'll be okay. Can you go put him back in the water?
Oh, come back. Okay. Got it.
Whoops, whoops. Wait, there he goes. Oh, good job, baby. Give me 5. All right. Who tied that fly?
Me.
That's right.
Yeah, I did it so fast. Let's
Yeah.
catch another fish.
Okay. Lower the rod tip. There you go. Strip, strip, strip. When I say hit him, you yank back on the line.
Like this?
Yeah. Good job. Keep reeling. Okay, wow. Okay, that's enough. There we go. Okay, you ready to let him go?
Yes.
Okay, let's take him over to the water quick.
We're gonna throw him in the water.
Oh, you're gonna throw him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye, baby.
Okay. That's not usually how we do it. Yep, we're gonna get him. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. There we go. Look at that.
Bigger than the
Yeah, that's a really nice one.
We have some interesting action going on there while I was taking a break.
Reel a little bit more.
Get him. Hit a line.
Your pink fly is amazing. We've got the line wrapped around the dog's neck again. Hey, I need to, there you go. Okay, good job. And don't fall down, but I'm gonna hold the fish up for you to take a picture. Come over. Gaia, no. Okay, look around at Mom.
Look at me.
Mom.
That's your fish.
What we usually do, baby, is maybe we lift the fish for a picture like this, but then we put it back in the water carefully. We don't throw it. We kind of put it back in the water carefully, and we have its head underwater, and we let its gills work, and we let it breathe. We let it just get its bearings, and then off it goes. Let it go. Oh, so nice. Good job. Give me 5.
It just slipped out of my hand.
Good job.
I'm so close to be a fisher girl. Mom, get down on the shore.
Watch out, baby. You can fall right in the river there. Okay, Mommy's having some trouble landing the fish. Shh, Kaya, do not jump in the water.
What are you doing?
Get the line.
You've got really strong tippet, babe, so you know you can set the hook pretty hard. Okay, that's a good bit of fish. Be careful, baby.
I'm coming to you for landing it.
I don't know, pretty fast water right there. Okay, so. Watch out, Kaya.
Found a glass bottle.
That is a treasure.
It is a treasure?
Yeah, we had to undig it.
Okay, let's start working.
Let's undig this. 90, 21, 22.
This is puma poop. Это какашки пумы.
No.
Here, it's coming out, bro.
Aya, look.
Yay, it's coming out. Let's take it home. It's a perfect treasure. Maybe it has a treasure map. I think it has a treasure map. Let's see.
Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's empty.
Here we are on our way back to the campsite. I think I caught 3 fish, hooked another 3, I believe. And what's even more exciting, especially for us, is that we found this bottle that was from 1974.
Here we are collecting some clover blooms for tea when we get back to the campsite.
Our mixture of pasta dish, some spinach ravioli, then there's some leftover gluten-free pasta, some leftover burger meat. Today is day 3 and we are packing up and getting ready to leave. Definitely taking back this bottle that we found from 1974. This is our bag of trash.
What'd you do with it?
Mostly food. Packaging. Bye-bye campsite. Bye-bye river and mountains and waterfalls and fishes and birdies. We're leaving. 2.5 hours and 10,000 steps later, we got back to our truck.
What?
This is your favorite song.
No, that's not my favorite song.